In this video, I wanted to show you how to put together a nominal 4.5 volt battery pack. For this assembly, you'll need some scissors, 3 AA batteries, some electrical tape. I'm using blue for better visibility, and also some 18 gauge 2-strand landscaping wire, which is sort of my default haunt wiring. You notice that at one end, I've cut 2 ends just a little bit separated from each other. That prevents it from accidentally shorting out. And the other end, I've got it a little bit longer, actually just the length of 3 of my AA batteries put together in series. So I'm using AA batteries in this project, but I also sometimes will use C or even D batteries, wired in series just the same way. Depends a little bit about how long you need your circuit to work. AA batteries have about 2,500 to 3,000 milliamp hours. So that's enough to power a small microprocessor for a couple of days. D batteries are about 6 to 8 times that. Now you can see what I'm doing here is lining the 3 batteries up in the same direction, so they'll be in series. And then I'm applying tape along the sides of the 3 with just a little bit of stretchy tension on it. This helps keep the contacts together nice and close. Then I can wrap it circumferentially to give it a little bit more stability. And then I'm ready to attach the wiring. You'll note on landscape wire or lamp wire that one strand is smooth and the other strand is grooved. And so I typically remember the ground is groovy, or that the positive burns off all of the grooves, whatever you use, but basically just use something and keep it consistent. And so here I put my wire over the negative terminal, which is going to be my ground groovy wire, and then can tape the other end down to my positive terminal. And then I can just secure the whole thing with another couple strips of electrical tape. And that's pretty much it. So they also do make commercial battery packs, which are great and lovely, but it's pretty fast to make one of these. The wiring gauge is much thicker and easier to work with, and the whole package is a lot more weather resistant than the plastic cases that you'll see. So this is the solution that I like. And apologies for having my multimeter upside down, but you can see when we test the voltage, we get a nice 4.88 volts, which is consistent with these being fresh alkaline batteries.